So I know it's been a minute, but it's Vlogsmas day 9, and I'm probably gonna combine everything I did with Vlogsmas day 7 and 8, because we put up the Christmas tree, decorated the house. It was a lot going on, and to set up my camera, my actual camera to shoot it, it's a lot of work. It's Vlogsmas day 9. Fuck with me. I'm about to get ready. I went to the gym this morning. I'm about to brush my teeth. We're gonna get ready, and then gonna take the Jit to the dentist because he has an appointment, so I gotta pick him up from school. I already took a shower. I am dry. Well, my face is dry. I don't like moisturizing my face before I brush my teeth because that shit be on my hands, and when I be flossing, that shit don't taste good. But if you prefer to brush your teeth before you moisturize your face, drop your comments. Let me know, because that's something that I already like to do. Yeah, my face be looking a little dry. Probably look dry as shit right now, but we're good. Let's just brush our teeth and get this day rolling, because we on a time crunch. What the hell? My floss is broken. Okay, let's see if I get it off. Just like that. Moisturized, feeling good. Still got time to spare. Going to get ready, put these clothes on, and go pick up the Jits. Don't know if y'all shop at Urban Outfitters, but these kind of like track-ish pants that have make the whoosh, 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 whoosh sound, these were like $30, and I got a couple of pairs. I got 2 pairs for me and 2 pairs for babe. It's a little hesitant sometimes. I see a lot of like brands are dropping these. I do this thing where I look at their comments, and if the comments say it's not, you know, when you gonna ship my stuff, it's been 5 weeks, can't do it. I can't do it. I would just go with something that I know is gonna work for me. And these is cool, straight to the point. I fuck with these. As long as I leave by like 1:30, we should be good. Let me take a step back. These are the pants, and I got them from Urban Outfitters for $30. If you need some pants and don't want to get scammed by the brands that are making new pants, go to Urban Outfitters. But I'm not throwing any shade towards these brands, but sometimes y'all be taking forever to ship shit. Don't show us shit and say it's Black Friday and it's all stuff for the winter, then we get it by the summer, because that shit is misleading as fuck. Atlanta streetwear market is cool, but now it's like, it's the thing. Everybody's doing streetwear, and it's cheaper on their website than it is when you go to Atlanta streetwear market. So why the fuck would I go here? You're waxing on your shit that you bring inside of the streetwear market. So that's nor here nor there. That's just me, and that's my tea, you know? I'm just probably gonna do this shirt. I got this shirt from Zara. It's pretty cool. Yeah, I think this will work, but I gotta take this mic off. So I'm put this on, and what shoes am I gonna put on with it? That's a good question. Sometimes Zara is overrated, but Zara be having some good stuff with good quality in there. I don't think I have no zip-up jackets. It is what it is, but let's do this. Let's go. I'm gonna catch y'all motherfuckers in the kitchen, in my kitchen. Lactate, 2% milk. Might do a little double scoop on there, just because it shakes your protein shake for you. It probably is, but I'm not gonna pay for it. I actually like I actually like that I have hands that can just do the work, you know? These are what I'm gonna throw on today. I think this works, but it is raining outside. Let's see. And I have another pair of them, but quality, when they started changing the quality on the floors, that's when they got me. We ready? Going to get ready to go, pick up the Jits, and then I'll be back at the house. In the meantime, I'm going to try and vlog from my phone. Quality may look different, and that's what's gonna throw me off, but you just gotta create shit. Put shit out there and do that. Word of advice, because I'm gonna give y'all advice every day. Be you, continue to be you. And it's not even advice, it's a reminder to continue to be you, and don't be afraid to be you. Because if you're living as someone else, you actually start being yourself. You've sold a different personality to the public, and they may not like that. Catch y'all soon. We're gonna attempt to do this dough one more time. I made biscuits from scratch, and them hoes was hitting, so I had to run it back because it was so damn good. I'm hoping that I can perfect this, and once I perfect this, have my own little recipe type shit. Yeah. We used a little bit of salt, and the first time I made it, it was too much salt. Second time I made it, it was okay. Third time is a charm. Gotta perfect it, because I've been in my own head about this, and my girl has noticed, and she's like, babe, people did it the first time and it didn't come out great, so you have to keep trying. And that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna keep trying, for sure. We're gonna put a little bit of salt. Boom, that's it. Maybe one more. Boom, that's it. Maybe I put too much salt in there. Let's try to scoop some of that salt out. It's okay. It's okay to fuck up. Let's throw one more in there. And then we can put some in our dough. Just because. Cool. That's good. We're just figuring it out. We're just figuring it out. Fuck it. I'm gonna mash down all the sugar. 1.5 cups of warm water. Okay, 1.5 cups of warm water, and then we just drop the yeast in that motherfucker. Put that bad boy in there. It's gonna start eating the sugar. Alright, so while the yeast was yeasting with the sugar, as you can see, I went and grabbed my mic. The yeast has been yeasting. It's been 5 minutes. It's been a little over 5 minutes, and it's time to pour that motherfucker in. Whisk together the flour, salt, the sugar in there for this motherfucker to go in. We're gonna drizzle some extra virgin olive oil in there. So get some of that extra virgin. And I don't really know what a drizzle is, but you just eye that. Just start kneading it together. So look at that. Gonna put it in a different container, wrap it up, and sit it out for about 45 minutes. And that's what it's looking like. In there, put in this, let it sit. And honestly, I don't know how long I'm gonna let it sit. I'm going to take my final, and however long it takes me to complete my final is how long we're going to let it sit. Okay? Cool. Deep breath. Does anybody else get nervous when they're about to take their final? It could just be me. Knowing that you can take this multiple times, it's still just a nervousness. Okay, do this. I'm gonna do this, and you guys will see little bits and pieces of it, but yeah, let's get it going. So it's been an extremely long day. Took me about 5 hours to do my final, which I passed with an 88. I took it like 4 times. First time I got a 47. That's here nor there, but did my final. The cinnamon sticks actually came out great. I just didn't move my camera, so I'll insert some video of the cinnamon sticks. And I made shrimp fried rice with fried chicken for dinner. Just knocked out the last of my homework. So now I'm going to put this edit out. Hopefully you guys like it. But Vlogsmas Day 10. Let's try to keep this thing called consistency. So being consistent, all Vlogsmas, posting every day, and consistency is the key. So shout out to y'all who are watching this, and fuck with me.